Here we are today at the base of Highlands here in Aspen, and most of the condo product that people are going to be looking at are going to be in the core of Aspen. However, not many people know there's a couple condo products to consider here. We're going to go over all three of them today, and I hope you enjoy this tour. Okay, first up we're going to have Les Chamonix, and this overlooks the Maroon Creek, and there's a dozen units, and this is going to be the only market priced condominium complex in Highlands. So right across the way we've got Highlands, but this is a little bit separate, but you literally just got to cross the street to hit the slopes. So there's, like I said, there's a dozen units. These are going to be the largest units of them all. They are over 2,000 square feet, 3-4 bedrooms on occasion, and they got a complete makeover a few years back. So this facade or the frontage you're seeing here, it looked completely different several years ago during COVID. So these are probably going to be the highest priced condos once again here at Highlands. And then on top of that, the last one just traded for $4 million. So considering what things go for in the core, you get a lot more for your money, more bang for your buck, no pun intended. But yeah, once again, like Chamonix, but there's only a dozen units, so there's a lot more demand than there are supply here. So next up, we're going to talk about our second product, which is going to be reserved housing right here at Highlands. Okay, next up is Maroon Creek Station, which I have behind me. You've got retail at the base here, right at Highlands Mall, but upstairs, these are going to be individually owned condos. However, they do have deed restrictions in the sense that you can't make more than a certain income, so it's a great opportunity for employees here. There's a 1, 2, 3 bedroom product, and the last several sales have ranged around 800,000 to 1.3 million, to just kind of give you an idea. Okay, here we are at the Ritz-Carlton Club here at the base of Highlands. It's an epic location. This is going to be the most affordable product of the three that we're talking about today. These are going to be fractional ownership, so you're not going to own the units outright. However, they are good size. They're at the base of Highlands Mountain here. Epic location, great restaurants here on site. So Ritz-Carlton Club, much different product than what had come from in Hawaii. There we've got several different Ritz-Carltons. We now have 2 on Oahu. One at the Turtle Bay Hotel got rebranded as a Ritz-Carlton. However, in town we have Ritz-Carlton condos. Those are fully owned condos in Waikiki. If you want or have questions about those, I'd be glad to help as well. And then there's the Ritz-Carlton condos as well over in Kapalua on Maui. So if you need help with either of those products, which are fully owned in Hawaii, I'm fully licensed in Hawaii. But once again, here at Aspen, at the base of Highlands, we've got the Ritz-Carlton Club fractional ownership. It's probably one of the better buys or more affordable opportunities to get into the market here in Highlands. And we have the Highlands Alehouse. We're in the off season now, so everything's kind of closed and wrapped up. But this place during the winter is a bustling place here at the base of the mountain. It's great to come down for a lunch or afternoon après, and been to a number of parties that have been hosted here. Highlands Alehouse, iconic location here at the base of Highlands Mountain. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of the 3 condo products here in Aspen Highlands. If you have more questions about these or any other real estate here in Aspen, feel free to give me a call at 808-371-3509. Aloha.